Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about Melbet promo code bonuses. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. Now, once you have registered using the promo code mentioned earlier, you are simply going to make your first deposit. By making that your first deposit, you will be able to get much more money into your account that you'll be able to bet, that you'll be able to use to bet and get more money on the platform. You'll be able also to get other bonuses, and to do so you are simply going to click on the menu icon, and here you are going to click on other. Now you are going to head directly onto this promo section. Now you are going to find out bonus games. Here are bonus games that will permit you to get even more bonus on the Melbet platform, but to play them you need money. So by using the money that you have top up and the bonuses you have got from the promo code mentioned earlier, you'll get even more chance to play these bonus games. You get even more chance to play these bonus games and earn even more money. Now you have other bonuses like VIP cashbacks and much more. And all of this is available to the registration by using a valid promo code like the one I gave you previously. And it's as simple as that.